Tamara Basic Tease here, and today I'm going to explain to you what a breakaway is and how you can use it on your garments. So this is a breakaway. It's just a little plastic notion that you can pop open and easily break apart. So if you were to attach these to one of your garments, it would be easy for people to take their clothes on and off or disrobe while they're on stage. Or this could also be used as a clasp for a cover up for the beach or a resort. So you just put it together, snap it closed, and then you can just pop it right back apart like that. So this is an example of a piece that I've sewn together, and you just do it like you would do an S-hook on the side. You'd sew it on either side, and then you just pop it open up, close it back up again. These are really kind of difficult to find nowadays. Hopefully I've given you some valuable information. You can check me out at basictease.com where I sell my sexy PDF sewing patterns. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.